Oh, geez. We got a special unboxing video. Found these at the store. We're gonna have to do an unboxing. Can you see what they are yet? Pretty excited to see this. Found the continuation on last time is where we're gonna start. And we're gonna go on to these next cool few. Okay, what is this? This looks exactly like the F1. Okay, I don't know if you remember, but I always talk about my favorite car here. Right, the good old F1. Okay. Now look in the background even. It already looks like the same car from the picture. That's interesting. Like I was saying, this design, body shape, especially of this car, which is so similar to this GT. I can't wait to open this and see the difference, because this is the GTR GT. Or, it's the GT F1, and this is Gordon Murray's own car design. And he can use that same one, of course, right? So I'm just really excited I found this and had to open it today. So here's my favorite F1. I'm going to open up this T50S. Gordon Murray being the guy that designed the cars for Bruce McLaren. Okay. Oh, right away I see some cool things on this already. Oh, no way. Okay. So this is the new car. It doesn't have much deco on it, but that's obviously the turbofan. Oh, or turbine, I guess. I'm excited right now. I can't even talk. I couldn't believe I found this today. Okay, so there's the sick profile. Now what happens if I roll this one in? Does that not look the same? So that's interesting. The one on the right is the McLaren, of course, right? And now I'm going to put the other Gordon Murray car up here. I can't tell if that's in focus. Give me a sec here. Yeah, hold on here. I'm just going to leave it. We're doing a quick video today. So that's interesting, but notice that this front end here and that top scoop is basically the same as this one here. It's uncanny. It's pretty cool actually. So it's not the same car, but man, they look so similar. You can tell the same guy designed them, that's for sure. So unfortunately I'm going really fast on this one, and I'm not doing very good. I'm actually not even watching my focus points, to be honest. I'm just trying to get this up there so you can see it. Okay, there's the new one, brand new model. Again, and I just got it. Opened that up. Super sick. What's next on here? Oh yes. I'm gonna save that for last. Okay, we got one of my JDM collections. I got this for my, I guess you can't even see it. Yeah, look like that. I got this one specifically for my JDM collection. I didn't find any in the wild till recently. And so I got this one. This is the RX-7. If you've seen my website or seen any of the videos I've got of the RX-7, I have like all of them. There's many models of the RX-7. There's lots of them. You can look them up. This is a new model. It's the drift model, just like the, hold on a second. So you know what, look at this. It's the same situation as this. This is the BRZ with the Pandem kit on it, but this is the drift version because it's got that weird tube frame on the front. Now we've got the same thing going on with this RX-7. It's the same one. You don't have to read that, right? You can see it. It's the same one, but it's got that drift bumper on the front. And I don't have any of these open. And I found like 5 or 6 of them today, so I got them all. Already kind of disappointed there's nothing on the back. But I'm loving the white wheels. Again, I don't even know what's in focus here. Yipes. Let's try that. And this. Yipes. I apologize. I'm just going a little too excited today. Because this, whew, that is an RX-7. I like the front. What you can't see is it's got a roof scoop too. That's really cool in the texture on it. It's pretty sick. I'm gonna put that with the Drift Subaru here. See what kind of pictures we can get. The Drift Boys with their drift bumpers. So that's the Mazda RX-7. That's what only wrapping again. I'm so excited. These are only a couple of the few JDM cars I have open right now that I've been displaying. But there we go, there's some drift cars. Just got this brand new RX-7 just today. Too bad there's nothing on the back, but man, it's cool. And we got one more. This one I couldn't believe I found today either, actually, because I saw it and I was like, oh, if I find it, I'm definitely gotta pick this up. Can you see what's in the background? I'm going crazy because it's a functional working Magic 8 ball. Can you see what it says there? Decidedly go. Instead of decidedly so, of course, right? And dice is in the dice. Alright, so let's open this up. I don't know if you can see that. I'll put that there. Didn't focus it, but it just says Magic 8 ball at the top there. There we go. So I'm opening this one too. Well, I don't know if you can see, but on the bottom, that's where it is. So we're opening this up for sure, 100%. This was one of the new models again for this year. Again for this year, it was a new model. Oh, this is cool. Okay. Got some cool engine details on it there. Doesn't move, but this looks like it's almost chipped already though. Let me get out the little show and shine here and wipe this down. Rubber down there, hey? Magic 8 ball. Whew, we're moving. Look at this purple. There's the car. Pretty badass considering. Is it? Okay, that's inside. Let's see what these say here. Oh, there's quite a bit of room in there. The whole bottom's clear. And that says... I can't even read them. I wonder if you're supposed to... Okay. Pause. And how do you know which one it lands on? That's interesting. That one said doubt it. Should I end the video now? Oh, look good. Can you see that? So there we go. My cat is attacking the stand now. So that's it. Cool. Quick unboxing video. Gotta have that out there. Don't let your life be chosen by a magic 8 bulb. Come on now.